Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2024 Scout 255 Dorado. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's a full 25 foot 6 inch overall, has a beam of 8 foot 11 inches, and the fuel capacity is about 132 gallons. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the twin Mercury 200s. Great power match for this boat. You have the sea deck matting as well. You also have a recessed swim ladder. As you step up into the cockpit, you've got cup holders, rod holders. You do have your live well on the port side. You also have 2 flip down seats here in the cockpit. So if you're entertaining, you've got plenty of seating. If you want to take a day of fishing, you close the seats up and you've got a big open cockpit. Rod storage over on the starboard side. Here you have a wet bar and prep area with sink, slide out cooler. Over on the port side you have a different seating configuration with a rear facing seat as well as a forward facing seat with flip up bolster and armrest. This boat has the Grigio interior, the light gray, which is a great look for this boat. The bolsters are nice because you can sit down low beneath the windshield or you can sit up high and look over. As well, this boat has the integrated fiberglass hardtop. Really a sharp look on this boat. Scout, their profiles of the boat are just spectacular, some of the best on the water. Stepping over to the helm station, you've got your Garmin display, Fusion Bluetooth. All your switches for all your accessories are here. Little glove box, as well as digital throttle with built-in active trim. Moving all the way forward, you have your head compartment over on the port side, very nicely finished with sink. And then beneath the helm here you have additional storage, lots of storage on the boat. Well, as we move all the way forward, you see you have a windshield wiper over in front of the captain. All the way forward, you have a bow filler cushion, so you can make all of this a sun pad. And then you also have your windlass controls and swim ladder here. And nice to have a through-hole windlass. That way, you have a nice smooth deck without any trip hazards. Windlass controls, as well as your bow stove goes here. And again, my name's John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.